Hey everybody, welcome to the last DevFest event. Today we have a very exciting event about root cause analysis with LLMs, how to fit context and resolve issues faster. I think this is going to be a very exciting event. I'm not going to take too much time. Before we start, please make sure you go and start the Keep repository. So I'm adding it here in the chat. Please go fork and contribute. They also send some awesome swag. So this is the last day. So hurry up and do it so you won't lose it. And without further ado, let's start with the event.
Hey everyone, happy to see your messages in the chat. Let me share slides. By the way, please let me know in the chat if you see them. I'll give it maybe one more minute. So let's start. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Matei Kukui. I have engineering background, and last 7 maybe years, I work with everything related to alerts and incidents. And of course, last few years, as the whole world went crazy with AI, actually it happened a little bit before, I'm focusing on how to solve alerts and incidents, how to fix the problems happening in large infrastructures using generative AI and modern AI technologies at scale. And this is what we will talk about today. So the first thing which comes to the mind is the first question I should answer is maybe why just shooting everything to ChatGPT or any other LM will not probably give you the best results. I don't know how fast the chat is here and how fast I see how quickly I see your answers. But if you have if you have a clue why it may not work, please type down. Really wonder to see what are your ideas. I will actually answer this question. So when we speak about incidents in large infrastructures, let's think about how exactly do they happen. First things we see are actually alerts from our monitoring systems. We have some cloud service covered by, I use this method. Yeah, I see the comment. We have some online service consisting of multiple microservices. Maybe it's e-commerce website. It has backend, frontend, database, something else. And those microservices, this infrastructure is covered with observability. For example, we have Grafana connected to Prometheus. We collect some metrics, and we know when CPU is getting high, or CloudWatch telling us when we have some problems in our AWS instance, and this generating us alerts. And when I speak about alerts, let me show you quickly what alerts are. And I will, by the way, use the UI of Keep. So check our GitHub. It's a native add. When we speak about alerts, we speak about JSONs coming from our monitoring system. This is an alert from Grafana about some network latency problems. And actually, it's a JSON. So JSON is not that informative. So we can probably open ChatGPT and copy this title, give it to ChatGPT, and ask like how to fix it. Actually, in most of the cases, it will give us pretty much general results. So it will start talking to us and asking us for more context. It will ask us about maybe other alerts, other incidents, and how it will look for you. You will jump between ChatGPT window and grabbing more and more context, and it will be picky about the context. So if you mention something in the context, it will most probably point you to this thing as a possible issue or possible solution. And the other problem we have is that actually when we listen for alerts from our monitoring systems, all of them look scary. So all of them look like something bad happened. But who is running large infrastructures, you know that in most cases, alerts are meaningless. So there is some spike and actually no need to check it. And if we ask ChatGPT about each alert, so for example, here I published some not very important alert to ChatGPT and asked like, is it a real problem? It will always like say, yes, this is a real thing and you should take it seriously and this is how you should probably fix it. And the problem of scale is coming to us. Why? Because we work with infrastructures with like thousands and thousands of alerts every day, happening there every day. And let's calculate how much money we will spend if we will put every alert to the ChatGPT. So we could refer to the website called LLM price, and it's giving us the price for taking input of 1 million tokens. So we can say that like really powerful and large models are somewhere about $10 per million tokens. And let's take one alert and calculate how many tokens it has. For each large language model, the amount of tokens is different per text because it depends on how tokenizer works, but roughly amount should be the same. So we will take our alert from Grafana, put it to tokenizer and get 694 tokens for each alert. Now let's do some brief calculation using Python. I'm changing the screen I'm sharing. 1 second. Stop sharing and share my terminal now. Here it is. So we have 694 tokens per like 10,000 alerts a day per 31 days. This is how I forgot to run my Python. And divide by million. Didn't I mistake? No, too many zeros. $200 only to evaluate 10,000 alerts a day. We didn't calculate the response from the model. So it will tokens which model return back to us will cost something as well. If we get more pricey model, oh, I actually forgot to multiply by price. So it's, yeah, right, it's 2,000 per 10,000 alerts. Actually, when we check if alert is an incident or it's not an incident, we need to run multiple queries to the model. So this price could multiply to tens and thousands of US dollars to just check if your alerts are actual incidents. So how to fix this problem? Going back to the slide. And I've been talking about this part of the slide. I don't think if we're sharing slides actually now. I guess I need some help because I'm sharing, but my slide is not visible on the screen. Yeah, thank you. So that's our pipeline. We receive a raw feed of alerts. We leverage generative AI or some other AI actually to correlate it to incidents. And after this, we want to use some LLMs to help us with those incidents. So we did some estimation. We estimated the price of the first step. And here, a few life hacks could help us. Life hack number one is to not use LLM at this first stage of correlation alerts to incidents, or to use some like smaller models to correlate alerts to incidents. In Keep platform, in our open source AIOps solution we're working on, we support both. And I will show you how you could build actually manual rules to correlate alerts to incidents to bypass this step and to save those money. But correlation using AI is always also possible. So check the product. I'm going here. We have manual correlations here in the UI, and here is how our correlation engine looks like. So you could correlate using by different fields, different properties, actually anything you have in your alert. And here I correlate by simple thing, just severity equals critical. And Keep says me that 7 alerts will be grouped to incidents. So we will kind of bypass this pricey piece where we create 10 incidents out of thousands and thousands and thousands of JSONs of alerts. I save this correlation. I run, I shoot some alerts to my instance. And I should have a few incidents. Yeah, I have a few incidents, and some other incidents will pop up here soon. It's all working a little bit slow because it's local. Yeah, here it is. So we correlated alerts to incidents, and we kind of bypassed the pricey part of it. Now we want to leverage LLMs to actually help us with incident resolution. And here, of course, you could spend all the time going around and collecting the context. But what we found important is that at the moment when you start fixing the incident, you should have all the context already here. So when we reach out to the LLM model, it will have all the context about this incident, past incidents, alerts inside this incident, and you see even topology if your topology map is connected. You see all alerts got related here. So I can go to the chat, hide dev console because it's kind of bothering me. So, and I see the alert storm caused by DB migration rollout, and I ask my LLM, like, how do I run this migration myself to check the exception? And it's giving me very deep contexted advice, because it knows about alerts, it has all the context, and it has the context of past incidents where we have some resolution nodes, and engineers actually used this command to fix the incident. And I think this is practically all the magic. So we're working on this open source solution, which helps you to kind of narrow down all your infrastructure context to the LLM, have it on top of your fingertips, save some money, leveraging manual correlation or using our proprietary generative models to correlate alerts to incidents, and help you to fix problems faster. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will wait for maybe 2 minutes, and that's it. Okay, thanks everyone. Have a good last day of Hacktoberfest, and hope to see some of you in our GitHub repo.
All right. That was short and fun. So I hope you all enjoyed Hacktoberfest. We have still a few days. So I'll give a bigger announcement about this kind of things, but let me kind of like explain to you how this swag is going to be distributed and when and so on. So first of all, the winners will not be announced on the 1st of November. No, we are going to check all the winners, both in the no code and the code, and then we are going to remove the people that like exploit the system, try to cheat, and so on. Not only that, people that won the giveaway will also be checked. If we see there is some kind of fraudulent thing, you will be removed. So as I said in the whole competition all the time, don't try to cheat, because in the end, I need to send you the swag. It's not that many people. So I'm just going to check everybody. And if this looks fishy, it will be removed. So now let's move to the giveaway of today, the last one. So one moment, let me open it. And just to kind of like let you understand how it works. So basically, we are doing now the giveaway. By the end of the event, for everything, for the winners of the event, the no code, the giveaway, everything, you will have an option in the system to go and claim your swag. Your swag is basically, with all this giveaway and everything else, we are attaching the GitHub handle to basically your handle on the system. So this is how we know who won and so on. So for all these people that are like in this event and say, there's so many cheaters, don't worry, they will not win swag. Actually, this is actually my personal money, so don't worry. I will be very thorough with everybody. So let me now open our Wheel of Fortune. Let me share my screen. So I'm basically going to share my screen now. I'm going to shout your name. I'll wait a few seconds because there's a slight delay between the event and the wheel itself. You're gonna say I'm here, and then I'll just mark you. If you are multiple times on the Excel file, I'll just remove you and continue to the next one. So let me share my screen here. All right, let's spin it. All right, Ryan M.O. Rian M.O. Are you here with us? Rian M.O. Rian M.O. Somebody wrote AI Shorts wrote I'm here, but again, not sure how to validate this. All right, perfect, good. Let me just see that you haven't put yourself twice. All right, perfect. So I'm marking you. Okay, cool. Next spin. And Kit Encoder. Let me see that you haven't put yourself twice. Feel free to write in the chat meanwhile. All right, only one time. Looks like a valid GitHub to me since 2023. Good. Are you with us and Kit Encoder? And Kit Encoder. All right, I'm moving to the next one. Okay, Pratham Mesh 010. You are 2 times on the wheel, so I have to disqualify you. Next one. Kushal 34712. Let me see. You're 1 time here. Let's see that your GitHub looks legit. All right, it looks like you are from 2022. Are you here with us? Are you with us? All right, I'm moving to the next one. Okay. DK Gausser, are you here with us? Yeah, GitHub looks legit. I'm sorry, but you should answer faster when other people answer. It means that you were not really here. DKG H user, are you here? All right, next one. Discord bot cooler. Sounds very fake. Let me see what it is. Okay, that's a fake account. So I'm removing this. We'll move to the next one. Code with Aran. Are you with us? Code with Aran. It's Naryan Bushsal. Like this. Are you here with us? I mean, it's really weird. Like the event was only 20 minutes. Like, what are you like just like coming in? All right, good. So I'm marking you down also. Let me find you on the list. All right, perfect. So thank you everybody for participating. And basically you will see the score and everything on the Discord and via email. There will not be another event. So this is the last time you're going to see me live. Thank you everybody for participating. And yeah, just try to catch up on the latest news to see if you won or not. And bye-bye.